San to ZeroPotentials.com, signing at our channel. Let's continue studying the book of John Gray, What Your Mother Couldn't Tell You and Your Father Didn't Know. So ano ba yung lesson natin today? The power of positive reinforcement. So yung story today ni John Gray is about when he was young. So sabi niya when he was young, yung mother niya would always listen about his talking or talks or conversation for hours about his ideas, no? She would never correct me or imply that she already knew what I was talking about. She would patiently listen with rapt attention. She greatly appreciated my ideas even though they were still rather unformed. So, parang sinishare ni Sir John Gray today is the people early in our lives would form our habits and even our confidence in ourselves. So, yung kinikwento niya is yung mother niya, kasi nga speaker si John Gray, di ba? Naging famous speaker siya, tsaka author of books, and he conducts workshop and seminars in the US. So, parang sabi niya, early on his life, yung mother niya gave him a chance to explore his ideas, to share, to... Sometimes kasi ganun po, di ba? Pagka pinopractice mo or sinishare mo or dinidevelop mo yung thoughts mo, parang nagkaka-confidence ka dun sa topic mo. So sabi niya, based on that support, I began giving lectures when I was 18 years old. So maaga pa lang nag-start si Sir John Gray, 18. Lecturing was particularly difficult challenge because people expected me to appear old and wise when I looked like I was 12. So that's 18 siya pero mukhang bata siya na. When I came out to speak, people assumed that I was attending my father's presentation. So sabi niya, at my first advertised public lecture on developing your full mental potential, I was so nervous, I fainted. The audience thought I had died. So yung first public talk pala or lecture ni Sir John Gray, nag-faint siya, no? But sabi niya, eventually I overcame my fears and went on to give talks to thousands. So, kasi nga famous siya sa Amerika, di ba? Si Sir John Gray. So, hanggang ngayon, di ba, he talks about yung women are from Mars and men are from Mars and women are from Venus. So, yung niya is the power of positive reinforcement is we are encouraged by people around us. So, sabi, this same applies to men in relationship. When a man feels successful in applying a new skill, he will be motivated to continue learning and giving. So, wag daw po tayo magsawa sa bawat isa sa partners natin. So, yun nga, success breeds success po eh. And we will flourish if we continue to encourage one another by giving yung positive reinforcement in our day-to-day activities. Stay safe, everyone. God bless you all. Thank you for watching. See you on our next video. Please subscribe to our channel and share it with others.